Ala, night trip na.
Girl, we're fucking dead.
Lisod nagi kayo ang second night.
Perminti kita Karang kuan ba? Perminti ka i-edge nila sa kuan. O paano ang kuan?
Lagi. Oh, this might be hard. I'm expecting mamatay kita.
Ni Foxy na tani.
Let's go.
Last time we got killed by Foxy.
Ay, girl.
Ano, wala si kuan.
Kinsa?
Lolo. Oh my god. Golden Freddy.
Huh? What do you mean?
You hear that? Someone is slapping Freddy's face.
Oh my god, that is Golden Freddy, girl.
Yeah, I told you it's Golden Freddy. It's not Foxy.
Or check out the other side.
Wala.
Okay.
So how can we avoid Golden Freddy, by the way?
We should mutanaw ra tag kamera.
Ah.
Oh my god, chika. Lain na mo ko niya eh.
Nawala si Chica.
Yeah, I saw her. Goofy kay mudagan. Oh, she's
Diba I told you, imagine akong point of view ako ganiha, she's running towards me. That goofy ass run. If makarecord lang jud ko
Nakakuha ako glimpse ato ay.
Imagine in my point of view, just running towards me.
Girls, chika! Oh my god, girl. Oh my god. She's right there.
Girl.
Look at the camera.
Where? Oh shit!
Oh, she's
Oh my
already
god,
blue.
na. I think she heard us. I think she heard us making fun of her. Nawala na siya.
Dara, nara skilled. Dara, it's right in front of you. Dara,
Oh shit! Okay. Sa camera ko gabati. Sa camera ko.
Oh my god.
I think she has beef with me.
Nakadungog siya and she had enough. Why are we making fun of her?
With that goofy ass run.
Ay, tae.
Oh my god. Girl, what did you
Girl,
do? What the
hapit
fuck
mi
did you
naghalok.
do?
Hapit mi naghalok. She was right in front of me.
Yeah, I saw that. Nagyapon sa diba?
Wala na siya. Sige daw.
She's right there.
Oh, nibalik.
Yan na. She's right there, gyapon. Sa hallway.
Yeah, saw that. Hello, 1 AM pa to 60% na to. This is so not good.
Si Bonnie, wala naman nilihok.
I'm scared.
I think this is Chica's night. This is Chica's night, girl.
Wait, what was that sound?
Kasi Chica rin nilihok.
Lagi no? Tanawa girl. Napa siya diha sa kilid. Like sa camera.
Wala na.
Okay, open the door.
Open that shit up.
Hello, gamay nakitag battery. What the hell?
Sala yun yung Chica.
Chika no na. Libakon gikan na mugmayo. Okay, balin ko diri speakers. Og check.
Yeah.
Watch out kay Foxy.
Safe naman ang left side. Safe ang left side. Kung Chica na lang dito, girl.
Okay.
Kaya wala gid mo lihok si Kuan. Tuwim na, wag ako malihok sila. Chica ra. Oh shit, I heard that.
Oh my god.
That's Golden Freddy.
Or.
Hello, they're both gone. They're all gone.
Huh?
They're all gone, all three of them.
Oh my god, this is not good.
Girl, we're fucking dead.
Oh my god. We're so dead. Check out sa kan left side. I mean right side.
Wala.
Wala magtipid na battery girl tanawa.
Girl,
This is not
girl,
good.
we're cooked.
We're dying.
We're cooked.
We're
Sila
cooked.
tulog nawala yun.
We're gonna be like Charlie Kirk.
We're Charlie, girl.
This is kirking me. Wala 36
Yeah.
AM. Okay.
Girl, they're all gone.
Yes. We're dead.
Girl, they're all gone, girl. Hala, si Foxy, girl, ni gawas. Nakagawa siya siyang pirate cabin
No.
thingy.
Don't worry. I'm gonna keep
No.
an eye here. I'm gonna keep an eye here. Just keep
For that-
checking sa other side. Allah, 3 AM.
Girl, it's 3 AM and we're only 30%.
Oh, oh my god. We're bound to fail in this night.
Oh my god, imagine sa night 5 yun.
Na, I don't think maka-out tong nagda.
Okay ra siguro 5 nights. Uy, kung imagine, o sagid ka week ba? Girl, Monday, Thursday, Friday.
Monday,
7
Tuesday.
days a week.
Girl, no,
Push it,
did you go
push it.
7 days? Girl. Kinsa na?
Chica. She's right there.
Tanaw sa camera.
Bitch, go away. Bitch, go away.
Oh, Freddy. Bonnie is coming. Oh, Bonnie's standing right there.
Oh no. Kinawala siya.
Hello.
No! Oh shit! Fucking shit!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god!
Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, stall him! Girl, he took one of our coins.
Oh my god, this is so unfair!
Ikuan na dila chika, nawala na siya.
Sige, sige.
Kisa to
Can you
midagan.
Can you check on Bonnie?
They're all gone.
What is Chica doing anyway?
In the kuan. Girl, nawala si Foxy.
Stop. He could be in
Girl!
right now.
Girl, oh shit.
Oh my god, oh shit. Oh my god, oh my god.
We're dead. Wala na.
Girl, follow me. Ano, Chica! Come! Oh, si Bonnie! Ah, sige, dito ta. Dirita. Girl. Naku, diri, girl.
Go. I fucking hate you, Bonnie! Hindi ko niya pat yun!
Paspasok!
Oh,
What the...
imagine we got paid less.
Oh my god. What the hell?
Less than 5 AM.
Mugani. Kuan pa to siya? 4 AM.
Employee rating F. Di atay. Yo, we almost died and you only pay us less and you only rate us F?
Mugani.
The fuck? Bro, I'm gonna burn this whole place down.
Why are we even here?
I'm not
Just to
paying enough.
suffer.
I'm not paying enough. I'm not paying enough
Oh my
for this
God.
shit. Ay, una, kabalo ko.
Dito to share. Hello.
Kabalo ko, unsa na? Si
Girl, did you
Chika,
have
una
that?
mo. Si Golden.
Flash,
Freddy.
Flash o kuan Golden Freddy's ako ah.
Ako sa Golden Freddy to.
Oh my god.
Okay, I think kay unang mulihok ka ni karon kay si Chika.
Yeah, definitely. It's her night. Girls' night. We should invite her. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? Oh, milihok si Chika.
Mahadlok mo kung Golden Freddy, uy.
Di ba na ang labot siya? Ikuan na siya. We can avoid Golden Freddy.
Like,
Si
kapilan
Chico
ni
Group.
Flash.
Okay,
I got
dili ta
flashed.
magamit camera karon kay we know na si Chika ang mulihok. So diri ta sa part mag lantaw-lantaw.
Sige, mga, I think, 3 a.m. ta mag-check the camera
Oh, mga
start.
only glances ra sa camera kay kung dili bitaw taglantawan sa camera no kay mo gawas si practice.
Oo, no. Madunggan ako si Foxy po.
Patay ra ba tato?
He's fast. Like, very fast.
Yeah. Eme.
Girl, stop. No. I hate those things. I'm not hearing anyone out.
Hurry up.
Ew!
I like
I'm
the pirate
scared.
ad.
No,
I like
stop!
pirate.
I don't need to hear this. Keep it to yourself. Oh my god.
Imagine a fox eating a pirate. Imagine.
Girl, you
look at
forgot
that.
Yang pirate hook hait kina. No, stop.
So what?
No, stop. You can't use that thing. I'm scared.
It has potential.
Girl, stop. Okay, you can take it. Keep it yourself. Nobody's going to bother you. Oh my god.
You can't give me up, bro.
Oh my god, she's right there.
She's right there.
I'm gonna keep an eye on her.
Sige.
I will. She's just standing there menacingly with her goofy ass run.
Oh, you ko kalibutan na ganyan. Girl, she's coming back.
I mean, how could she walk normally with that legs?
Imagine chicken legs. With that chicken ass legs.
Chicken nugget legs.
Chicken nugget legs.
We should cook her before she cooks us.
Exactly. So far, no, wala pa tayo chika. Ibantay ka?
She's right there, oh. Girl, lako. Goofy ass. 2 a.m. na to, girl. Look at the battery. We're seeing progress.
Oh my god,
Yes!
70%. Yes, let's go.
Mag 6-7%.
6-7.
68.
Only 69, my favorite number. Oh my god.
Girl! Why did you leave me?
Oh my god! Mas kayo siya! Dili ko kalyan! Yawa! I spoke to him. The
Stop!
pirate fine shit killed me.
Oh my god! I'm all alone.
Girl! Naging mihawa na siya, girl.
Oh my
I
god.
fucking hate you, Foxy. I fucking hate you. Why did you kill me? I thought we were lovers. Or something.
Foxy heard you and took your cookie.
Yes!
I saw that. I
I
definitely
want
saw that. I caught that on 4K.
I want my man Patrick, Charot. Imagine na to siya kanang fans, obsessed with you and he runs so fast towards you. No
No,
man
no.
could ever.
I'm running
No
away.
man could ever.
Oh my god, I heard that.
Yeah, girl, what?
Girl, I'm scared. Why did
Ooh,
you leave
nawala.
me?
Sorry, girl. Foxy's too fast. Nawala si Kuan. Nawala sila tulo. Oh God! Oh my God! He's right there. Bonnie's right there
Where?
in the hallway.
Sa left side or right side?
Perminti man na siya left side, girl. Plus chika pud. Sa imuhang right side. Hala! Freddy's right there. Girl, run!
You're scaring me!
Both of them! Both of them were fighting!
Wala si Freddy!
Oo, gali! Both of them!
Oh no,
And
they're on the...
They're
They're on the both sides. They're on the both sides.
Nawala na si Juan, chika. Nawala na po si Juan, Bunny. Si Freddy na lang. Or he wants your ass.
Oh my god. I mean, Freddy is...
Oh, padulungay si Bunny. Girl Foxy! Girl Foxy! Outside!
Okay. Keep an eye, girl. Keep an eye.
Ano, wala na si Juan Freddy.
Sure?
Yes, nawala na siya. Trust me. Laya na siya sa hallway, pero laya siya.
Yeah, girl. Keep an eye. Keep an eye, good. 5 a.m. na. 5 a.m.
Foxy is still right there.
Just tell me,
Freddy
ha?
is right there, yeah. And both of them, Chica and Freddy, nasa kuan. Girl! Foxy! Girl, Foxy!
Damn!
It's fucking fun!
Girl! Oh my god. I cook.
Yeah, you're...
Please. 6 na, 6.
But Bunny is right there.
Please keep an eye.
Go, Freddy, go.
Where?
Sa kuan likod.
Oh my god. I saw that.
Padulungan si Chica. I told you.
Hello, 6%. Naku, girl. 5.
Girl, oh my god. Girl, Foxy's ready. Wait lang. Napa siya diri.
3.
Padulungan niya. Mura na siyang muran.
3%.
Oh my god.
Yes! Oh my god! I cook!
Thanks to me, you bitch ass.
Yeah, let's go, girl.
Carry me.
Oh my
Carry my
god.
ass.
Oh my god. There's your body. Oh my god. Your Oh my god. Foxy took your soul. And now you're just there.
Yeah, don't save me. I don't need saving.
Girl, bye. I'm leaving your ass anyway. Oh my god. Oh, we ate.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god. I hope mabuhi na
Kalay
kami.
for na.
Hello.
No, hell
Wait,
no.
mabuhi ka ni? Mabuhi ba
I
ka
don't
ni?
know.
Please, buhi. Mo-leave jug kog di ka mabuhi. Dili na ako makayag ako isa.
I mean, we're on a... Oh, yes!
Oh my god!
Oh, no, I'm
Come here, girl! Yes! Yes! Thank you, Lord.
No,
Oh, there's a shop.
I'm not...
Nice shop, girl.
Because the That's why no one wants you. Let's go.
Wait for me, girl. Girl, wait for me.
Come here.
Don't leave me.
Come here.
Kasing kanon kog diretso inikon. Okay, I'm here.
Wait for na ba ni?
Hello. I wonder kinsa ni nga night.
Bani na po, di ba?
Tanaw kisa ni Leo.
Oh, it's Chica. Chica is Sukuan. Oh shit. Foxy too.
Yeah,
And Bonnie too.
Bonnie. I saw Bonnie moving.
Yeah,
Keep an eye on that. Keep an eye diha, girl.
Sige.
Or bailota.
I'm so scared.
Okay, mga 3 AM na punta mag-check ko camera. Wait, did you hear that? Oh,
Kita ka to?
yeah. No, I did not see it, but I heard it.
It's golden. Ready.
Oh, very cool. They're all gonna get our cookie.
Oh yeah, it's golden ready. And
Did you
also
see it?
Kuan with Bonnie.
What?
Ambot ka
For
kita
sure?
ko na ay ni Kuan. Si Bonnie ang ni Kuan ni flash sa camera. Kung si Kuan
not good.
sundan si Kuan si Freddy.
Oh,
Poor.
they're all
Girl,
moving
wala.
now. They're getting
Wala sila
aggressive.
Yeah.
They're getting
Girl,
aggressive. Girl.
Girl. Pata, girl.
Check. Kanang ta. We should just keep an eye. This is not good. This is not good.
This is not good. Night 4 funny, girl.
Cute. Oh my god, ni. Doon nakita sa night 5.
Giatay.
I'm scared. Naana si Golden Freddy, silang tanan nangalihok na.
Okay, so far wala pa diri.
What if mo
Camera?
explore ta?
Bahala ka dira. I'm not coming with you. Bahala ka dira.
Oh my god. Sila adjust na lang, sila mo dol na to. Pray.
Deserve.
Night, I count pa 1 AM. Please.
No. He's moving.
Although, look at his head. He's going crazy.
Hey.
He's geeking out.
Oh my god, Chica is there too.
Girl, keep an eye. Oh my god, si Foxy!
Check the camera, girl. I-close ang door na yun, ha? Chica's here.
Hello, look at this girl. Did you see it?
Hindi kinsa.
It's a bug. It's a freaking... okay, stay lang da.
Ikaw po ang Chica, ba? Ikaw po ang Chica.
Baylo.
Gali.
Tanaw speakers. Girl, that's a glitch.
Ay, giatay. No, Bonnie is here. No, that's so tough. Girl, that's so tough of my lifespan.
Katong si Foxy.
That's so tough of my lifespan. Giatay.
Anak mo ni mo. I told you.
Giatay, uy.
Oh my god, Chica start.
Please, stop.
Oh, Bonnie's
Nah,
right here.
Bonnie's okay. Oh, gali. 50% na
Freddy.
tagal.
Silang duha, girl.
Wait, bitch ass. What are you doing right there?
Tanaw si Bonnie. Check Bonnie's situation.
Wala na siya, no?
Sige, ang door. Na?
Yeah,
Go. Girl, what are you doing? Girl! How did you die?
Nawala siya sa door, sa camera. Pag-open na po natin ito. That's
Oh my
unfair.
God.
That's really unfair. Unfair tayo. What the fuck talaga?
Okay, I'm cooked.
Oh, tawa oh. I hate that bitch.
Oh my god!
Oh, patay ka.
Wait, what happened?
Si Foxy! Patay tayo!
Oh, look, night guide. Foxy stays in fight code only because it demands consistent camera usage to prevent its rapid. Sumani uwi?
Mamagod kay kuan-kuan sa...
Nagpanik na nakulbaan ako, god. Bantay kong Freddy.
Night 4 pa!
Oh my god! We're suffering.
This is so stupid. Oh, 11 a.m. 11 p.m. pag mag-start, dapat job na mag-start. The chassis. We did embrace this children's robot thing.
I brought
Wait,
I brought gun.
Wait lang, papalit sa.
Tanawa girl.
Ooh!
We have some good stuff here.
Bro, extra power.
Me
I think we
too.
needed that more.
This is so scary.
Okay, let's go. Pila yung mag-gift buy?
Kuan, katong extra power.
Same. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, we're gonna kuan. Okay, girl. Let's go. Oh,
Look at
100.
Di ba?
Damn, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ana lang. Lock in mo
Oh,
ko.
girl, Bonnie and Kuan. Chica is gone.
Oh, I saw Bunny just moving. Hollering.
Chica is not here.
Unfair kay moment nga makasulod na ta mulihok na din sila.
Lagi. Dili man na inana. Sa tunood na dula.
Why are they so fast?
You know, health fast.
Or never mind.
Or
Girl. I'll just keep an eye on here. Don't forget to check on Foxy. Lesson
practice.
learned.
Oh god. He's doing Chica's right there.
Oh my god, Bunny is coming.
Chica too.
Just keep an eye.
Oh shit.
I saw that. She's right there. I swear.
You fucking bitch! Nagyo siya hidden ko na ako, brief na ako.
Nakadungog siya sa kuan girly back. She was like, okay, I'm getting your cookie.
Gani.
Bunny's just there.
Gani
keeping
na,
up.
wala, uy. Dili
Tapos
ko siya
chika diha?
mawala. Oo.
Oh, she's wasting our energy. Na?
Nawala na siya. Nawala na siya.
Very good.
Ato siya kitchen.
It's Bunny. I'll just...
Girl, 1 a.m. na, girl. 80%
Oh my
na
God.
ta.
I'm not sure about this though.
Me too. Oh, shit.
Nigawas ka, girl. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why did you do that?
Oh my god! Gago! Let's Foxy! Alright, okay. Yeah.
Haha.
Maruwis kay si Foxy. Uy, mangawat ang power. Unfair.
Lagi. Papalit yung kong battery sunod pag daghanon din ako.
Magdalag generator.
Lagi.
Delete pag ini-enough ang 100%.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, chika.
Bonnie is just caging there. Napas chika?
Dili ko kakop sa pikas. Girl, what the
Bonnie.
fuck?
Wala man si chika diri oh. Batay nas Bonnie dia. Oh, he's right there
Wala.
peeking. Hello, 2 AM,
50%
56?
and we're only 2 AM.
What?
We are
Are
dead.
those
Girl,
power wave
not
bot is
even
not
our
enough?
camera. Yeah.
Di mo hawas Bonnie sa mukha eh.
Oh no, girl. Foxy is right there.
Oh, wala na si Bonnie.
Something Foxy girl, gawas siya girl.
Okay, prepare na lang ko daan. Balik daw si Bonnie oh, sa mukha eh.
Oh no, chick.
What's the state? What's the situation?
He is standing there menacingly.
Same goes with Bonnie. They're geeking out.
Chica, please go away. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Nasya sa fluyo.
Foxy! Foxy! Oh my god! 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 What?
Yeah,
6%?
Wala na girl.
6%? That's a lot! That's
Chica,
freaking
what's
a lot.
away? Nagyapon siya sa pikas. Oh,
my
no,
God.
we're dead. We're fucking dead.
We're so cooked. Look at the power
Oh,
at the
gyapon siya
time.
nawala sa pikas.
Unfair kasi Foxy, 6%. That's freaking a lot.
Tawa mo, palit yung daghan ani mga matay ta. Huwag gyapon nawala sa chika girl.
Oh my god. She's wasting our energy. And it's only 4 AM. Olo, 10% na girl. Oh, we're cooked. We're gonna die. We're bound
Is
to
it
die.
safe to open?
I'm
Wala
gonna
naman
go
siguro
get
siya.
it, God. Gago, 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 gago.
Na siya? Isa. Oh shit.
Kapit may nagalok.
We're on 4%.
Oh, wala 4-4. Oh, we're
Wala
dead.
na, wala
We're
na.
freaking dead.
We're cooked. We're cooked.
Girl,
Who the
let's
fuck?
just...
Oh no.
Oh no, oh
Ala,
no,
eh.
I'm running. Girl,
Ala.
come here, girl. We're running. Let's run, girl. Let's run.
Hinay kita ka dati!
Oh my god!
Ah!
Kisay nakadakop ni mo.
Si Freddy! Bro!
This is so not cool. This is so not cool. Oh my god. This Lisod na lagi kay ni.
Palito na to, daghan girl.
Sige, sige.
Daghan ito tag cash.
Oh my god.
Pwede na cash na bilhin, mo. Five. Antoy man to 11, uy.
Lagi no, dako ako dato eh.
Purot putdan, good tag battery.
109 na na, oh, 109 na na. Okay, I'ma keep an eye out Selena.
Panay on Selena.
Pero like, low-key, hapit na ang tato. If it wasn't
Golly.
for Foxy. He keeps stealing our energy.
And Chica too. She's wasting our energy.
There
Nawala
it
sa
is.
Chica na.
La, or.
Or. fuck is that?
Or. Golden Freddy's gonna get our cookie.
Chica, what are you doing? Oh, he's laughing at us.
You laughing? What you laughing at? Huh?
He's laughing at bitch.
Kamay ra kay mig sahod diri ha? Huh? We're forced to do labor here.
She's moving.
Kala 96%.
She's moving.
Can we just make it to 3 already?
Oh fuck.
Kitsa na.
Chica.
I'm scared.
Salamat wala siya.
Tipid ta mag-extra tipid. Cause Foxy keeps stealing our kuan. Ay girl, chick, Foxy na lang.
Wala siya. Though he's tweaking.
Rose leaking. Lisod na kayong
Laina,
night
diri
4.
uy.
Imagine ang night 5.
Pwede o Chica.
Duha di ano? Diri kay si Kuan ra, Bonnie og si Foxy.
Hello, girl. Get ready ni Kuan.
Sige, sige. Ni Foxy?
Foxy.
Okay. I'm ready. Just keep an eye on that.
Girl, wala siya, girl.
Si Foxy?
Girl.
Oh my god!
And Freddy's here too.
Oh my god.
Freddy, please go away. Please go away.
They need to get out of here. Hala? Yeah, that was Freddy. Ain't it?
Yeah, it's Freddy. Oh my goodness. That bitch.
Kuan ka siya, tough ka siya mo lakaw. Like, okay, that's hot.
At least they look goofy. I'm looking at you, Chica.
Chica would be so offended. Have nobody told her, Ana? Oh.
Oh my god, she's still right there.
So bunny. What about Freddy?
Nasta gyapon sa luyo. Girl, they're wasting
God.
our energy.
Our energies.
Wala na siya. Nawala na si Bunny.
Check sa other side.
Ah, napagyapon siya.
Oh my god. 2 a.m. 59%. I mean, okay. Okay.
We're not coming out alive. We're not coming out alive. Ba, si Freddy napagyapon.
Oh, he's edging us. What about Foxy?
Foxy is...
Okay na?
Wait lang. Oh my god, Foxy's outside.
Okay na, okay na?
That's just outside.
Okay, mag-get ready na lang po ko. Wala na si Freddy?
Napagyapon siya. Na siya sa hallway.
Or para gimana na yung Selena?
Freddy, please go away. Ganina ra kay Kadiri. Wala na si Chika, ikaw na lang. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Oh my god, 6%. That's so unfair. Oh.
Oh, come on, man. Freddy, come on, man. Ganina na kay Kadira.
Oh my god, look at our battery.
We're dead.
Oh my
Awa
god.
si Freddy. Napagyapon siya diri.
Unfair. Atong
Oh, come
energy
on, come
just
on.
keep dropping.
Napay vaccine na makuha og biskot, uy.
Tapos si Bonnie sa kilid. 4 a.m. 23. Hapit nung ta.
Nawala si Foxy.
Wala lang ya.
Nanapod siya diri, oh.
Oh. Sayang nga baterya na eh. Foxy po, sige po pangawat. Si Bonnie hindi mo hawat sa kilid.
Freddy. Pagbantay ni Foxy, girl.
Yeah. Oh my god, friend.
Ganina, rigid si Freddy dari.
Wait, I wanna see.
Pero
Or-
ganina,
or-
rigid siya. Girl. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my god, girl. Foxy stole our energy again.
Uy, nandun si Freddy.
Wala. Dali girl. Kasi na si Bonnie dia, girl. Run!
Kay Bes.
Oh my
Bes. Ingon ko na si Freddy dira.
Oh my god. Bunny was right behind you.
Bro.
Until maulit lagi kong Foxy ay si Foxy lang yun.
Ito ko lang si Dio, be. Hindi na to ni Kaya. Para papabag.
Sige. Lagi. Let's invite Dio karon. Return to lobby.
Ibalik na lang. Sige na siya dire.